This time I'm on duty. I'm a professional driver. I want to know more English. Actually, I'm an English lover.
Okay,
And
okay. I'm also an English lover. Good
good
morning,
morning,
sir.
ma'am.
Good
Good
morning,
morning.
sir.
How are
How
you?
are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And what about you?
I'm also good, sir. Please give your short introduction for my viewers.
My My name is Harish Rathore, and I am from UP. I,
Okay,
I am basically UP from Meerut city, and I am currently living in Ghaziabad city, and
okay,
I am working in Delhi at Preet and with a company. This is a jewelry company, and my company deals in diamond and gold products.
Oh, wow.
And ma'am. Actually, ma'am, I am a fresher in
Okay,
English. Where I am working, there are two ma'am, and
okay.
I want to improve my English level with
Mm-hmm.
the ma'am, and but they teaches me sometimes, but I want to know keen. I want to know more English. Actually, I am an English lover,
Okay,
and
okay. I'm also an English lover.
okay, thank you,
Okay.
ma'am. Ma'am, actually, I want to talk to you. I want to कहने का मतलब ये है कि मैं आपसे बहुत बात करना चाहता था इस विषय में अगर
Okay,
आपसे
sir. Thank you. Okay,
मैम
now
आई एम
now we are
आई
talking.
या मैम एक्चुअली आई एम a married person and I have
Mhm.
two kids and
Okay,
I have two kids. One they are both son.
okay. I
They,
also have both sons.
okay. Thank you. Very nice. Then, ma'am, my elder son, elder son study in sixth class, and other younger son study in third class,
Okay,
and
okay,
they both are studying, and
okay,
they go to school daily, and
okay.
my wife is a housewife, and nowadays,
She is she also learning English?
yes, ma'am.
Is she also learning English?
No, ma'am, no.
Okay,
She doesn't know English.
okay,
Uh,
okay. No problem.
she has not interest in English. Yeah,
Okay.
but I am English lover, so I
Hmm.
have interest.
She could
Uh,
have another talent. She could have another talent.
yeah.
Yes.
She is a she's a beautician.
Okay, that's great.
Yeah.
Okay.
She has talent
So
of beauty parlor.
yes, every person has talent.
Yeah. But
So now is she working or not?
no. She is a housewife. My kids are this time is little, so she she doesn't do any
Work.
yeah. She doesn't do no job. She
Okay.
doesn't no job
Okay.
because
She can open her parlor at her home.
but I have not money for the opening the parlor because I am a labor person. I am
No,
a
no.
actually
So she can start from zero level. There is no need to collect so many things in her parlor. So she can start with making eyebrows, threadings, upper lips like this.
yeah. She can upper lip.
Yeah, that's why you are saying she's beautician. So I know she can,
Yeah,
but she could start with this.
yeah.
Try to make a board for your wife and put that board outside your home, and then customer will start coming to your home, to your wife.
Yeah. Customer comes to my home for the beautician.
Okay.
Ladies customer.
Hmm.
But she wants do the job She want
In any
do the
parlor.
job.
In any
Yeah, yeah,
parlor.
yeah. In any parlor. In any parlor. But my kids are little now
Yes,
this
yes.
time,
That's a problem with
and
every homemaker.
yeah, yeah. And I don't have mother and fathers. That's why we are helpless.
Here you don't have, or they are not alive now.
Other my parents not alive.
Oh, okay, they are no
Yeah,
more.
yeah.
Okay, okay.
So kids' responsibility is on her.
Yeah, obviously. This is a
Yeah,
big
ma'am.
responsibility.
Ma'am,
Toughest
actually,
responsibility.
yeah, yeah, ma'am. Actually, um, I want to improve my English level. I want to be a fluent speaker. But
Yeah,
I
slowly and gradually you will be a good speaker. No, I'm also trying to be a good speaker like you. So I'm also doing my best every day. I try to speak with so many people. So you should also try to do the same thing to improve yourself. This is the only way to improve ourselves, you know. We can improve ourselves by speaking. And listening is also very important. Listening is also plays a very important role to improve ourselves, to be a good speaker. So try to listen more and try to speak.
okay, ma'am. Ma'am, actually, I want that you should call me daily. If you will give me your valuable time, I will be
Okay,
one day.
daily it's not possible, sir. Daily it's not possible, but I will try to give you. Yes, I will try to give you, but it's not sure.
Ma'am,
Because you know
actually,
I'm also a homemaker, so I also have so many responsibility.
yeah,
So
yeah, yeah,
that's why I don't have much time.
yeah, 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 ma'am. Actually, I'm
Your
also a
phone is
working man.
you are moving your phone.
Ma'am, actually, I am holding this phone, so and
Okay.
I am on duty. This time I'm on duty. I'm a professional
Okay.
driver. Yeah, yeah,
Okay.
yeah,
Okay.
and yeah, ma'am. If you have any time, sorry, different. If you have a different any time, please you tell me. कहने का मतलब ये है कि मैं सुबह 9 बजे आता हूँ मैम और
Okay. Okay.
रात को 8 बजे तक ड्यूटी पे रहता हूँ तो मैं चाहता हूँ
So
कि
which
आप
time you
मैम मॉर्निंग 9:30 टू इवनिंग 8:30 p.m. My duty will be over evening 8:30 p.m.
Sir, I can't give you time. I can't talk with you in evening time, you know. After 3 o'clock, I can't talk with anybody.
That when what time you are free, ma'am, for the conversation?
I only free at this time till 3 o'clock,
After the 9 o'clock.
not 9 o'clock. Sometime after 10 o'clock and sometime after 1 and 3:30 o'clock. Only this time I can manage.
Sorry, please speaking into the Hindi.
मैं ना कभी कभी 10 बजे के बाद फ्री होती हूँ बट मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम मैं 1 बजे के बाद ही फ्री होती हूँ 1 बजे से 3:30 बजे तक
3:30 बजे तक तो
हम्म
मैम उस समय मैं कॉल कर सकता हूँ क्या आपको?
No, you have to send message only. I will tell you.
ओके ओके ओके
Okay.
ओके ओके
Okay, sir. It was nice conversation. If you want to do conversation, more conversation, then you can.
ओके 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 मैम.
Do you want to say something?
No, 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 ma'am. It's a good for the conversation with you, and
Okay, okay.
I want sorry, I am
You are
happy.
happy. You are happy. I can see. I can see the happiness on your face.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. Thank you
Okay,
so much,
okay,
ma'am.
sir. Thank you very much. Okay, sir. Bye bye. See you next time.
Welcome, ma'am. Bye, bye,
Okay,
ma'am.
bye bye. Bye bye, sir.